eat, play, music. Mittens the cat, she wakes up slow, stretches her paws, puts on a show. She eats her fish, a tasty treat, then sits and stares at dancing feet. Every day the same old thing, present simple the routine it brings. Present simple shows habits and facts, things that always are or regularly act. What's happening now? Right now she's chasing a laser beam, leaping and pouncing a feline dream. The red dot dances, she follows near, playing so hard, no sign of fear. This action's happening, can't you see? Present continuous, that's the key. Present continuous, actions in progress, happening now, no time to digress. Go up. It's happening now. Go up. She has caught the dot, the game is won. Her playful chase, now finally done. She has groomed herself, so neat and grand, the finest kitty in the land. These actions finished, but we see their present results for you and me. Present perfect, actions complete, but their effects in the present we meet. She has been sleeping for hours now, a tiny purr escapes somehow. She has been dreaming of chasing mice in slumber deep, so very nice. The duration matters, it's plain to see. Present perfect continuous, that's the key. Present perfect continuous, how long it's been happening. The present result we're now seeing. Simple, continuous, perfect too, and perfect continuous we sing for you.